I'm going to show you our latest acquisition, which hides discreetly in the corner of the kitchen, and it's a cordless vacuum cleaner. It's made by Electrolux. The model in France is called Ergo Rapido. It's very lightweight, and it's sitting on the charger at the moment. We just take it off, and away we go. Press the button, tick. Has a light. Swivel head to get into any corner, and the other great thing about it is that oh, hello rubber duck, is that you just pop off this part. I'm using one hand, okay, it's a bit awkward, and you then have this fantastic tablecloth cleaner, worktop cleaner, pop it back in the main body, and there we go. Pop it back in the cradle, charging up. And the great thing about this is it's Electrolux, and it's 1/3 of the price of those silly Dysons. Thank you. Bye.